Small, and I'll expand that from just small bed and bread. We'll call it smaller locations. We get a lot of calls from people that are using residential machines that are, hey, I'm having to replace these things every year. I'm spending a fortune. They're not holding up. And so we do have commercial, what we call small chassis machines. And those machines will connect to the same utilities that a residential machine. So we have a lot of assisted living places, senior living, again, like a bread and breakfast. We've got veterinaries. We've got a host of people that they're trying to use, they keep going down to the local hardware supply house, whatever, and they just don't last. And so these are a little bit beefier than the residential for sure. They're not the same as our industrial machines. They're not 20-year items, but they certainly are an option that help people get a little more longevity, and something that's made to be used, 4, 5, 6 times a day versus once or twice a day, which is most residential machines.